In a stunning turn of events, former President Donald Trump has been released from an Atlanta jail after paying a hefty bail bond of $200,000, £160,000, while awaiting trial. Making waves across social media.
Are you interested in creating your own automated channel? The internet is filled with bullshit tutorials that tell you that creating an automated channel is easy, but in reality, it's not. Today, I will be breaking down the entire process and showing you the step-by-step procedure to creating videos for your automated channel. And by doing so, I hope to spark your imagination and create an easy-to-follow guideline for a difficult task. I will be using the AI news niche as an example, however. The majority of these tools can translate over to different niche and channel ideas. To start off, I want to find breaking news that anybody would be interested in. To do so, depending on your region, you can head to CNN, NBC, Time Magazine, BBC, etc. There are loads of options to choose from. I've gone ahead already and loaded up a BBC News article regarding the latest Trump mugshot news. So what we want to do now is find an interesting portion of the article to rephrase. This text will be presented in our news video. I want to go ahead and choose this portion of the text. Just as a reminder, try to choose something that will catch the ear of your audience. The goal is to get them to continue to watch your video. After I have that copied, I want to go ahead and head over to ChatGPT to rephrase the text. As I write out this prompt, notice how I tell ChatGPT to rephrase the article in a breaking news tone. What this does is create a sense of urgency and get people to want to know more about the next coming news. This is what a lot of Hollywood news coverage does. Get fans to get riled up about certain drama within the industry and make loads of money during the process. Now that ChatGPT has gone ahead and typed out its response, I want to copy it and go on to ElevenLabs. For those that are unaware of what ElevenLabs is, it is a text-to-voice generator. We will use this software to help translate our text to a voice that we can use. Once we get on ElevenLabs, there are loads of pre-generated voices to use. They can be found here in the voice library. There are a tons to choose from. Alternatively, if you head to speech synthesis up top, you can generate your own. I've generated my own and made it to sound like a typical news anchor. Once you've chosen your sound, copy and paste your text into the generator and wait for it to shoot out a result. There is a word limit to each time you click generate, so make sure to cut it up into sections. After it generates, it'll provide you a preview to listen to. You can either download or regenerate the results. Now that we have our voice, we need our spokesperson. That's where Heygen comes in. Heygen is a video generator that matches a text audio to a pre-selected avatar. To sign up, it's completely free, and you can do it with your Gmail account. I just signed up and you can see that there are loads of different options. I want to click Start from an avatar and scroll down till I find someone that matches the voice I generate. I think Edward, in his fancy black suit, would be a great candidate. Depending on what platform you decide to post on, it could be landscape or portrait. I'm gonna go for landscape. After I do that, it'll take me to an editor. There are a few things we want to do here that are crucial. First, set the background to green. It'll work as a green screen, and will allow us to change this to an image shock video later on. Once we do that, head on over to the audio script and drag over the downloaded voice we had from ElevenLabs. Our video is coming together nicely. Once we hit download, it'll take the one free credit it gives us. For future reference, you can either continue to create accounts or sign up for the membership, which includes different things. I'll leave this image up for a few seconds. The video is done rendering, and now, let's preview the video. This is personal preference, however. I want to turn off the captions. This is completely up to you. The sidebar here provides loads of different export options. I'm stuck with the 1080p, which is more than enough. Alternatively, if you have a text script and want to use that to create your video, you can. Let's follow the same steps and select our avatar for the video. I'm going to choose Edward again and choose the green background. Instead of going over to the audio script, I'm going to stay on text script and copy and paste ChatGPT's output into this box. So instead of putting it into ElevenLabs, we'll put it into Heygen. There are voice options to the right as well. And from here, we can follow the same steps when exporting the video. Before I close out this video, this is what the outcome looks like.
In a stunning turn of events, former President Donald Trump has been released from an Atlanta jail after paying a hefty bail bond of $200,000, £160,000, while awaiting trial. Making waves across social media, the former president resurfaced on the platform X, previously known as Twitter, for the first time since January 2021. He shared a link to his website along with his mugshot, all accompanied by an attention-grabbing all-capital letters caption, "Election interference, never surrender."
Doesn't look too bad. We can play around with the green screen and voices, but ultimately, this is everything you need to know when creating your automated channel's content. Hopefully this helped you guys out, and if it did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll catch you all on the next one.